Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Steven from Rich From Anywhere, and then today's video is a gem, man. Check it out. I'm gonna be teaching you guys an awesome tool that I found recently that will help you with your product research. So this is for people who are doing Shopify, drop shipping from AliExpress. This is an awesome product research tool that will really save you a lot of time, save you a lot of headaches, man. Trust me. So if you guys are new to Rich From Anywhere, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you're always notified on all the gems that we're dropping on you guys, and hit that like button right below, just so that we know you're enjoying the content we create for you guys. All right, so let's get right into it, man. Listen, this tool right here is super dope. All right, it's called Niche Scraper, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna allow you to find winning products a whole lot faster and with less guessing. It takes the guesswork right out of it, right? So if you want to be successful with drop shipping and with e-commerce, you got to have a winning product. If you don't have a winning product, then you're pretty much just going to be wasting your time and wasting your money. So this tool right here is going to shorten that gap and help you guys find that winning product like so much faster. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get right into how it works. And I really like some of the features. This is an honest review. I just wanted to kind of give this sauce to you guys. All right, so what you're gonna do is Niche Scraper has a bunch of different elements to it, a bunch of different features that I'm gonna go into. But first, I'm gonna start at the top, right? So this is what they call Product Scraper. So you click that link, and then you come into this tab right here, and what it's gonna do is, it's gonna search AliExpress for all these different for the products with a certain tag. So you put in a tag, right? So let's just put in like bra, whatever, right? I don't know why I thought of that. That's kind of crazy. But put in whatever keyword you want to put in there, and it's going to pop up all these different products on AliExpress, right? Now, here is the game changer right here. This is what is different about this product and software than any other product or software that I know. It actually gives you real-time stats on what's been going on with these sales, how many people are ordering this right now by date, right? And then it gives you like this little line graph that you can follow, and you can easily identify if this product is selling right now. Okay, so for instance, you can see like, look at this one right here. So April 8th, 9th, 10th, it wasn't really doing anything, and then look, on April 13th and April 14th, it jumped up to 24 orders. So you can see that trend is literally happening. And when I'm shooting this video today, it is April 17th. So this is just like 3 days ago. So you already know that this is on the incline. So obviously this product right here is selling, right? So what's really dope about this product is that the guy that developed it used to work for Facebook and helped develop IG stories, right? So he's a programmer. So what he did was he created a program that would go and scrape AliExpress and be able to tell what products are selling like right now. Because here's the old method of how we used to go and do product research, right? You would go to AliExpress and then you would filter by orders, right? So it would filter in the product with all the most orders at the top. So that's a really good method, but the problem with that is AliExpress, it basically, when you filter it out like that, it's gonna give you all the orders from the last 6 months. So you can't really tell if that product has been selling like now or if it was just selling 6 months ago. And in drop shipping and e-commerce, man, 6 months is like a lifetime. So, those results or those, that information is a little bit blurry. It's a little bit like, you really can't tell if it's what you should be going after. But this right here, dude, like, this is crazy to me. Like, you can come down, it's got all these different products. It's gonna tell you like, listen, this product right here is flat. No one's selling this right now. Boom, look, this one's going down. Obviously they had an issue. They're not selling it right now. So you can make good decisions with that. Super dope feature right here, okay? This is another one. So let's keep going down the different features that they have here. This is called Handpicked. So this is where you can actually go in here and just look at a bunch of products that they have listed on here, right? Some of these might or might not pertain to you, but let's just go into this. For instance, let's go to this iPhone case. I like it. I like the way it looks. So let me go in here and view the product details. When I do that, it actually gives you a full-on description, shows more. It gives you a full description that you can copy and paste straight to your store. It gives you a suggested selling price, its actual product cost, and the profit margins potentially that you will make with this right here, so you can see it right off the bat. all your margins and all that kind of stuff right here. It actually even gives you the AliExpress supplier. You can click the link and it goes straight to the AliExpress page. And if you have your Chrome extension for Oberlo on here, you can push it straight to your store. Within a matter of minutes, it'll be on your store. If it's actually on Amazon as well, they'll send you straight to the Amazon page as well. So if you want to drop ship from Amazon, that's another option right there. It'll actually also take you straight to a Facebook ad that's already running out here. So you can actually take what you want from this as well. Look. Boom. So I'm not going to watch the video, but if you like the video, you know, you can use something like fbdown.net and you can actually download this video straight to your computer and just do it like that, right? And then you can take ideas from ad copy right here. If you want to, you can look at the engagement, make sure the engagement's good just by boom, boom, boom. Let's say it all checks out, looks good, perfect. Keep coming down here. It gives you actual live views of what's been going on with the orders. It gives you the ad copy right here. Like, it gives you so much stuff. It's just crazy, man. And this is for all the products, right? So you can just keep going down and it has it for all these different products, right? So that's really dope. The next feature that is really, really powerful, might be one of the more powerful things on this, is actually the store analysis feature, where you can actually scrub people's websites and see. I won't even want to tell you. So for instance, we all know, like, one of the biggest stores on Shopify is Kylie Cosmetics, right? Kylie Jenner, she got a Shopify store. It's crushing. So for instance, let's say I want to get a little bit more information about this store, right? So I just go and I copy the URL and I paste it right into here. Okay, now the store analysis is going to pop up some info right here. So estimated traffic and revenue. Okay, so the estimated, look, it pulls up estimated revenue for this store. So Kylie Cosmetics is doing $400,000 to $500,000 in estimated monthly revenue every single month. So that's crazy, like 500 grand a month through an e-commerce store like that. But here's what's really dope. It shows you the recently added products, right? So it was this perfecting powder was added on April 12th. This was also on the 8th. It shows you everything right there. Here's what's really dope though. Best-selling products. It actually shows you what their best-selling product is, and it's listed in order from most to least. So this is actually their currently their best-selling product right here, right? So this is crazy insight, because now we know the inside scoop on a store that's doing $500,000 in revenue every single month. We know that like a huge amount of that revenue is coming from this product. So what does that tell us? Okay, obviously this is what's selling, this skin concealer, you know? So you could take that information and use it into your store. And this is literally just an example. You can do this on any store, any niche, and you can basically take this information and utilize it to your advantage. And this is a huge shortcut, man, I'm telling you. So this is big. And here's another really big dope, like really, really dope feature. You can hit this copy product, and then you put in your URL, like, so your actual Shopify URL, so your myshopify.com link, and you put it right in here and you click next, and it's actually going to connect it to your store. It should push it straight to your store. Okay, it's going to copy the product from their store and it's going to put it onto your store directly. I don't know how much easier this shit can get, man. Like, this is crazy. I love this. This is really, really dope. So that's that feature. And then they also have another feature which is really cool, and it's actually their video ad maker. So for instance, you can basically create videos right on the fly right here. Let's say I find a product that's really, really cool. It's selling, it's trending, and I want to make a video and test it right away. So I'll just use Kylie Cosmetics. Since I'm on here, I'll use this exact product, face spray, setting spray. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this product page and you're going to click that, select that URL, copy it, copy the URL, paste it into here, and then it's going to fetch the images from that product page. As you can see, they're right here. There's only 2 images. So you need at least 2 images to make a video. So go ahead and just select at least 2 images. And here's what you can do as well. You can customize the way that you want the animation to look. pan up and down and right, left and right, zoom in slow, you can have none. If you want to put in some image caption like wow, right, whatever, you can put it in here. And you can do the same thing with this, right? Amazing. Whatever you want to do, man, put it in here. Okay, then you got royalty-free music that you can put in here, all different types of genre, right? Let's just do, what is epic? I don't even know. What do they mean, epic? You can preview the audio. Okay, all right, yeah, that's too much for setting spray. That's too much. We might want to do something like sunny. Let's preview this. Let's just rock with that. Let's rock with that. So, and then the text options, you can actually create like a meme style like video, right? So you have top bar optional, bottom bar text optional. You can have ending screen text as well. All these different things. So basically all you would do is once you got all your settings the way you want to, you just click generate video and let it do its magic. All right, so now when this pops up, that means it's done, and then it gives you this preview right here. So it actually shows you what it's going to look like when you start running ads to it, and then you can actually preview it. Boom, that easy, right? Super dope. And then all you got to do to download the video, you click download video, and then you click, once you get here, you click this little arrow, and it's going to click, and it's going to download straight to your computer. Boom, done. Easy as that. I mean, like, this is crazy. Literally everything that you need. So if you guys are just getting started out with e-commerce, or if you're already, you know, been in the e-commerce, but you're just looking for new products, or if you want, if you have virtual assistants that are doing product research for you, if you're a little bit more advanced, then you can have this product or this software right here, you know, ready for your virtual assistants to come in and just do product research and do testing and create videos all in one place, right? So once you get past that phase of, like, you know, you found a product that's winning, you've created this video, I would recommend kind of going off and trying to create a better video. Obviously, this is just for, you know, this is probably just best for like testing. It's not like amazing video. It's just like a slideshow. So, but this is a great way to test because you want to test products all the time. So I'd say this is a really, really good product for that. The only thing that I would think that it's missing that I think that they can add is maybe some like targeting options or targeting ideas. If they were to have another tool down here like that gave you targeting options and targeting ideas, that would be really, really cool too. But other than that, I think this is a super, super dope product research thing that's going to help you get like winning products a whole lot faster. And it's honestly like not even that expensive. It's only $39 a month, which is crazy valuable in my opinion, because of the amount of time that you're going to save. Like if you run e-commerce stores like we do, and you're spending a lot of time doing product research, I mean, $39 a month is going to save me like hours and hours every single week, like probably up to 10 to 20 hours per month is going to save me. So I'll gladly pay the $39 a month for this. You know what I'm saying? So, and even better than that though, guys, I actually have a promo code for this. So if you guys want, I have a link down in the description. Click that link and use the promo code I'm going to put in the description, and it's actually going to give you a discount. So you're not even going to be paying $39 a month. So, I mean, it's really like, this is a no-brainer to me personally, as someone who runs six-figure businesses on e-commerce and been doing it for years. I think that this is a really dope software that is just solid and super valuable. So I just wanted to share this information with you guys, and I hope that you find it valuable. As always, like I said, if you enjoy our content, subscribe to the channel, because we're always going to keep dropping gems on you guys like this. Smash that like button down below if you enjoyed this video. Drop any comments that you have, and we will get to them as soon as we can. All right. Rich from Anywhere Squad. Peace out, guys.